आज जो पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट है मैं उस स्टेटमेंट को पहले पढ़ूंगा और उसके बाद अगर कुछ और स्टेटमेंट जो हमारे लीडर्स यहाँ पे हैं वो भी देंगे और अगर आपके कुछ सवाल हैं तो उनका भी जवाब हम देंगे। स्टेटमेंट इंग्लिश में है तो मैं ये स्टेटमेंट पढ़ना चाहता हूँ सबसे पहले। Today I take this opportunity first of all to welcome our leaders from different states of the Northeast. We have with us our Maharaja of Tripura, Shri Pradyut Bikram Manikya, who is the founder of the Tripura Mortha Party. We also have with us Shri Monomo Kikon, who is the former BJP national spokesperson and a former minister of government of Nagaland. We also have on stage with us Mr. Vijay Rankol, who is the President of the Tripura Mortha. We also have with us Sri Daniel Langthasa, who is the founder of the People's Party in Assam. And I'm also joined by our National Working President of the NPP, Mr. James Sangma, and our National General Secretary, Mr. Baghe, and also other leaders of the NPP. We, the leaders from different states of the Northeast, have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people. For too long, we, the younger generation leaders in Northeast, have spoken about the same issues and concerns of our people, but from different platforms and political spaces. We have realized that our strength lies in unity and that it is time to give our people one collective voice. Taking inspiration from the vision and legacy of great leaders who fought selflessly for the identity and development of our land, we have resolved to carry forward their ideals by coming together under a shared vision for the future of the Northeast. Today's announcement marks the first step towards building this common platform. To take this initiative forward, we have decided to constitute a committee that will deliberate on the future course of action, including the modalities and structure of the proposed political entity. Our united effort is guided by a simple conviction that the people of the Northeast deserve to be heard, respected, and represented through a strong, unified, and indigenous political voice at the national level. Together, we stand committed to building a stronger and more united Northeast. Thank you very much.